third infant in Kentucky has died from whooping cough, marking the third death in the state from the illness in the past year. This comes after the first 2 deaths of whooping cough since 2018. The Kentucky Department for Public Health issued a warning about the rising threat of pertussis and encouraged residents to get vaccinated. There have been 566 cases of whooping cough in Kentucky this year, with children under 1 year old most at risk. The health department confirmed that none of the infants who died had been vaccinated along with their mothers. Symptoms of whooping cough include a runny nose, coughing, and labored breathing. Health officials urge people to stay up to date on immunizations to prevent the spread of the highly contagious illness.